Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Divinity Shovel in Desert Detector. First, ensure you are in the correct game. The Divinity Shovel is a powerful tool that significantly boosts your digging efficiency, making artifact discovery much faster. This easy method focuses on maximizing your chances with minimal effort. We'll cover the key steps to acquire this valuable item, ensuring you spend less time grinding and more time enjoying your finds. Get ready to upgrade your digging game. To begin, concentrate your digging efforts in the designated high-yield desert zones. These areas have a significantly increased drop rate for ancient artifact fragments. You'll need to gather a minimum of 50 fragments to proceed. Once you have enough, head directly to the special artifact vendor located near the desert's central oasis. This vendor is the only one who can process your fragments for the Divinity Shovel. To maximize your chances, consider using any digging speed boosts or potions you might have. These can drastically reduce the time it takes to unearth fragments. Collaborating with friends is also a smart strategy. You can cover more ground and share information about artifact spawns. Always prioritize digging in freshly spawned artifact spots, as these often yield better results. Remember, persistence and smart digging are key to success. Once you acquire the Divinity Shovel, you'll immediately notice its benefits. It provides a significant 2.5 times digging speed bonus, making your future artifact hunts much more efficient. Additionally, it increases your chance of finding rare artifacts by 15%, which is a huge advantage. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy digging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.